In this video, I will show you how you can create BPMN diagrams with ChatGPT. So I have in here this presentation from Prezi that can help us with this case. So this is an introduction first to BPMN and ChatGPT. So BPMN is a business process model and notation that is a graphical representation for specifying business processes in a workflow. It provides standardized symbols that enhance clarity and improve communication among stakeholders involved in process management. Now, this is important because it plays a crucial role in business process management by providing a common language across departments. Now, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that we already know into this case. So, in here, this actually has the role of process modeling. Like AI significantly enhances process modeling by automating diagram generation and analysis. However, AI tools can still interpret BPMN diagrams with hallucination, so it still needs human intervention. Now you can see right here that in order to generate a BPMN, you can head over and use particular options like understanding first the impact as well as the syntax, as well as inputs and diagram for generation, as well as the process to using it like the minimum variable product and the product that you need, as well as sample prompts that you need for that as well. Now in here, there's actually a lot of benefits of using this because it will give you increased efficiency, enhanced accuracy, accessibility for non-technical users, as well as time-saving advantage. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.